Sigma males are known for their independent nature and their ability to carve their own path in life. They're often misunderstood, but they have a lot of interesting quirks that set them apart from the rest. Today, we're going to talk about 8 strange things that Sigma males love. They're strong, confident, and unafraid to go against the grain. And that's why we're here today, to celebrate the Sigma male, a man who sets his own standards and lives life on his own terms. Join us as we explore what it means to be a Sigma male and share stories of those who embody this unique and inspiring archetype. So sit back, relax, and get ready to learn what it takes to be a true Sigma male. Number 1. Their solitude. Sigma males love their alone time. They need it to recharge and come up with new ideas. They're not afraid to be by themselves, and they often thrive in isolation. Sigma males are known for their strong desire for alone time. Unlike other personality types, they don't need constant social interaction to feel fulfilled. Instead, they value the time they spend by themselves, as it allows them to recharge their batteries and come up with new ideas. This alone time is essential for their mental and emotional well-being, as it gives them a chance to reflect on their thoughts and feelings without the distractions and demands of others. While some people might view Sigma males as aloof or antisocial, this couldn't be further from the truth. In fact, they can be highly sociable and engaging when in the right setting and with the right people. But they always need to balance this socializing with ample alone time to avoid feeling overwhelmed or drained. In conclusion, Sigma males cherish their alone time and view it as an essential part of their life. It's not a sign of antisocial behavior or isolation, but rather a way for them to recharge and come up with new ideas. If you're a Sigma male or know someone who is, make sure to respect their need for alone time and understand the benefits it brings to their life. Number 2. Having deep conversations. Deep conversations are a cornerstone of many interpersonal relationships, but for Sigma males, they are particularly important. While it's true that Sigma males are often independent and prefer to work alone, they still value the connections they have with others. When a Sigma male does engage in conversation with others, they want those conversations to be meaningful, thought-provoking, and engaging. They don't waste time with small talk or superficial chit-chat. They want to dive deep and get to the heart of the matter. This desire for deep conversations is rooted in the Sigma male's intellect and curiosity. They are naturally curious about the world around them and love to explore new ideas and concepts. They enjoy engaging with others who share their passion for learning and growth. For Sigma males, deep conversations are not just a way to pass the time. They are a way to connect with others on a deeper level and gain new insights into the world. Number 3. The thrill of intellectual puzzles. For many, the thrill of intellectual puzzles is the satisfaction of cracking a code, solving a riddle, or unraveling a mystery. But for the Sigma male, it's much more than that. It's the rush of dopamine that floods his brain when he finally unlocks the solution. It's the sense of pride and accomplishment that comes with conquering a challenging problem. It's the feeling of being fully engaged and in control of his thoughts and actions. In a world where instant gratification is the norm, the Sigma male is a refreshing change of pace. He values patience, persistence, and hard work. He knows that true satisfaction comes from the journey, not just the destination. Intellectual puzzles are a perfect outlet for his need for challenge and growth. Number 4. The love for knowledge and self-improvement. Sigma males are unique in their love for knowledge and self-improvement. They possess an unquenchable thirst for learning and are constantly seeking out new information and insights. This love of knowledge drives them to explore new ideas and concepts and to push themselves to their intellectual limits. But it's not just about acquiring knowledge for its own sake. Sigma males are also committed to self-improvement and see learning as a means of becoming the best version of themselves. They understand that by expanding their knowledge, they can develop new skills, deepen their expertise, and ultimately achieve their goals. Number 5. Having an adventure. Adventure is an integral part of the life of a Sigma male. While they may enjoy their solitude, that doesn't mean they shy away from new experiences and the thrill of exploration. In fact, Adventure is often one of the driving forces behind their solo journeys. Sigma males are always seeking out new challenges and pushing themselves out of their comfort zones. They thrive in situations where they have to think on their feet and make decisions quickly. By embracing new experiences and taking risks, they're able to unlock their full potential and achieve great things. Whether it's embarking on a new business venture or exploring a new part of the world, Sigma males are always up for an adventure. Number 6. Love for classic clothing fashion. Classic clothing fashion is a popular trend that has been gaining traction in recent years, and those who identify as Sigma males have been at the forefront of this movement. While many people associate classic fashion with old school and boring, Sigma males have developed a unique sense of style that sets them apart from the rest. Sigma males often prefer clothing that is both comfortable and functional, with an emphasis on high-quality materials that will stand the test of time. They tend to gravitate towards brands that are ethically sourced and environmentally friendly, and are not afraid to make a statement with their clothing choices. Number 7. Thought-provoking art. Sigma guys are renowned for their unusual thought processes and eagerness to challenge societal standards. It therefore comes as no surprise that people are frequently drawn to artwork that questions the established quo. Sigma male loves art that challenges limits and causes them to think in fresh and novel ways. Whether it is a thought-provoking painting, a contentious sculpture, or an avant-garde installation. For Sigma males, art is more than just a pastime or a method to spruce up a room. It allows a person to interact with their surroundings and explore various viewpoints and thoughts. They are drawn to art that makes them reevaluate their beliefs and questions their presumptions. Sigma male value art that pushes the boundaries, challenges convention and authority, and is brave and courageous. Number 8. Alone time with their hobbies. Sigma males are often very passionate about their hobbies, whether it's writing, painting, or playing an instrument. For them, hobbies are not just a way to pass the time, but a way to express themselves and unwind after a long day. Sigma males are known to value their alone time, and this often means dedicating time to their hobbies. Whether it's spending a few hours writing in a journal, experimenting with a new painting technique, or perfecting their guitar skills, Sigma males are happiest when they're able to focus on their passions without any distractions. For many Sigma males, their hobbies are a way to recharge and disconnect from the outside world. In a society that values constant connection and productivity, it can be difficult to find time for oneself. But Sigma males understand the importance of self-care and prioritize it by carving out time for their hobbies. This is not to say that they don't enjoy socializing or spending time with loved ones, but rather that they recognize the importance of taking care of themselves in order to be the best version of themselves for others. While they may be strange creatures, they are also fascinating and complex. If you're a Sigma male yourself, we hope you found some common ground with the things we've listed. And if you're not, we hope you've learned a thing or two about these unique individuals. See you guys in the next one.